Hey guys, welcome back to another tech update. The Oukitel, the WP23 and the Blackview BV9300 would be coming very soon. I think next month. The BV9300 will be launching, I think, on the 18th of April. But before that time, Blackview would officially announce the phone and we will get to see what the BV9300 has to offer. I think it's going to be Blackview's latest flagship, and I believe it's going to pack some decent specs. As for the WP23, which I think would be a budget rugged phone, I don't know when the device would be launching, but I believe that we'll be seeing the device next month as well. It's going to be the successor of the Oukitel WP22. It's going to be a very cheap rugged phone, with average specs. Anyway, I'm only speculating. I don't know the official details, but once the official specs and features of these devices are revealed, I'll let you guys know. And of course, I'd like to hear your thoughts about these upcoming rugged phones, so feel free to share them in the comment section below. Kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. We are almost at 10k subscribers, so kindly subscribe so we could get there quickly. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys soon. Peace out.